Introversion is often misunderstood as shyness or social anxiety, which leads to stereotype that undervalue the true strengths of introverts. According to a YouGov survey, 70% of people believe that extroverts have more advantages, while only 8% think the same about introverts. Most people also say they would prefer to be extrovert rather than introverts. This shows that extroverts are widely perceived as having greater advantages, largely because education system and workplace tend to favor extroverted traits. So, I created a wizard team interactive projection mapping, War of Whispers, to reveal the hidden strength of an introvert using magic as a metaphor for the unseen yet powerful abilities of introverts. It features 3 animated picture frames, each revealing a hidden strength, which is empathy sensitivity, silent connection, and self-insight. The wizard team portrays these traits as rare, enchanting abilities, like spells that work quietly yet profoundly. The user holds a magic wand and points it to the picture frame. When they switch the wand, it releases magic that transforms the frame from a still image into a lively magical scene, gradually revealing one of the silent powers of an introvert. To make the magic wand work technically, I use a gyroscope sensor and an Arduino ESP32C6 board. The gyroscope sensor will print out the data when the magic wand is moved and detects the direction of the wand's movement. I also use 3D printing technique to craft a real magic wand. The wand is carefully designed with an internal structure that allows sensors and LED to be embedded inside the body, making it not only a physical prop but also an interactive device that brings the idea of magic to life.